Hi friends, so here I am today to talk about two things. One is, as I told in my Instagram post, if you follow me there, about Smitten. Now, I came across Smitten while I was scrolling my Instagram feed and found their sponsored ad. I went and checked their website and found that it is an Indian startup company that sends you samples of high-end luxury products, and also you can shop there, and the more you shop, the more you have chance of getting free trials. And of course, when you get a free trial, you have to leave a review of them in their website or in their app. You have to download their app for best performance. So let's show you my Smitten. So it came in a box like this, and inside the box I got first in for the first time you log in and you become a member of them, you get a chance to try out three things for free. Only you have to pay the shipping charges, which was 75. So I chose Vichy Aqua Thermal Dynamic Hydration Light Cream. I have not used it right now, so I can't tell much about it. The thing that I have used and I've left a review as well is the Ceylon Spa Hand and Body Lotion. Its main fragrance is lemongrass, and trust me, it smells fantastic. If you like those kind of spicy floral smell, then this is the cream for you. It little goes a long way. It is readily absorbed in your skin and you smell. I tell you, the smell is marvelous. And the third thing I've got, again I have not used it, I'll use it tomorrow, is a La Occitane repairing conditioner. I made a mistake. I should have taken in for the trial for the shampoo also. Then the pair the pair could always be better for a shampoo and conditioner when you are reviewing them. But let's see. So to get into Smitten, you need an invite code. I'll be linking my invite code down in the description box in case you want to, if you are interested in joining them. It's a nice website. The prices are not exuberant depending on what kind of product you are buying. For example, they have natural bath and body products. They have just her products to brands that I've used and I really love. And since I buy a lot of natural bath and body products, I can tell you that the prices are same, like in their what you pay in a natural bath and body, their own their own website, you pay in Smitten, but the chances or like the good thing about buying from Smitten is that you get a chance to try out like this kind of luxury product. So if you love reviewing products, if you love getting free trials, then get Smitten. I had a little mishap with my camera. So guess what came today? My new Nykaa order. As you can see from my lipstick I'm wearing the new Nykaa matte lipstick. Mine is Mischievous Plum. I have lots of reds and pinks, but I don't have, I don't have lots of plum color, so I chose this one. As you must have seen in other unboxing, Nykaa thing is really cute. It's a square box type with a Nykaa written in silver, and the best thing is, see, it's magnetic. This is the color and it swatches really well. They say it's matte, but I won't say it's full matte, as many of the reviewers said. It's true, it's very creamy and it's better. It does not dry up your lips like some matte products do. It does not do that. Okay, is the lighting? This is the lighting is perfect now. So as I was saying, the lipstick does not dry up your lips like other matte lipstick tend to do. As per quality, if you let me compare it, I'll compare it with the dry sugar one, and I think the dry sugar one is better matte finish in that. It has a bit of gloss, and also it's not that transfer proof. You know what I mean? Like. that for the sugar lipstick, they don't transfer. Like if you put on the lipstick after some time you drink tea or coffee, it won't transfer, but this did. This transferred a bit. The other thing I ordered is the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. Now this one I really love. I have been not using any kind of liquid eyeliner because of the fact that I generally wear my glasses, and when I wear my glasses, putting on a eyeliner, especially for your yeah, this eye, like I want to say, yeah, this eye becomes really tough. This eye is easy, you just put it on like this, but when you cross your hands and try to put your eyeliner in this eye, for those sighted as I am, I have a big minus power. Putting on your liquid eyeliner becomes a hassle. But this one made the work very easy because, okay, I'm holding my camera in one hand, so I have to use my teeth. Sorry for that. Okay, because of the fact, just look at the wand. It's really big, which made, drawing lines like this, even if I'm very close, like I have to be this close to the mirror to see and put on my eyeliner, but this made the job very easy. Okay, just yeah. And if you can see me, let me open my glasses, then you can see it better. See, the eyeliner is really, it says it's smudge proof. I have put it on, what, about half an hour ago. You see, really smudge proof. No smudges, and I have put it really thin, as you can see. And for the first time, I think like you will be better to tell, I have the two wings same. It takes me a lot of time to get my two wings same, as anyone who loves wing eyeliner will attest to, but this eyeliner I am really happy about. So that is all in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. I'm trying to post as much as video as I can, at least one every week, and I generally post reviews, hauls and stuff like that. So if you like my video, do subscribe. Bye.